New York Life Online. Quote, a New York Life Online quote allows individuals to estimate the cost of life insurance coverage quickly and conveniently. By using New York Life's online quote system, potential policyholders can explore different policy options, compare pricing, and determine the best coverage for their financial needs. This tool helps users make informed decisions without needing to speak to an agent right away. 1. What is a New York Life Online quote? A New York Life Online quote is a digital estimate of life insurance costs based on basic personal details. It provides a preliminary look at potential premiums, helping users understand their options before moving forward with an application. 2. How to get a New York Life Online. Quote, Step 1. Visit the New York Life website and navigate to the online quote tool. Step 2. Select the type of life insurance policy you're interested in. For example, term life, whole life, universal life. Step 3. Enter key details such as age, gender, health history, and desired coverage amount. Step 4. The system processes your information and generates an estimated quote. Step 5. Review the quote, adjust coverage options as needed, and decide whether to proceed with an application. 3. Factors that affect your online quote. Your estimated premium is influenced by several factors, including age, medical history, smoking habits, policy type, and coverage amount. Higher risk individuals may see increased premium estimates, while healthier individuals may qualify for lower rates. 4. Benefits of getting a New York Life Online. Quote, using the online quote tool is fast, easy, and free, allowing users to explore their insurance options without commitment. It provides a quick way to compare different coverage levels and costs, helping policyholders choose the right plan for their budget and protection needs. 5. Limitations of an online quote. While an online quote provides an estimated cost, the final premium may vary based on underwriting factors such as medical exams and detailed risk assessments. The actual price will be confirmed after a full review by New York Life. A New York Life online quote is a convenient first step in finding the right life insurance policy for you and your loved ones. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.